Let's drop it in. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be answering one simple question. Does the Google Pixel 5's fingerprint sensor still work underwater? If you're interested in the Google Pixel 5, the link to it will be in my video description below. We have the phone powered on. We have a bowl of water here. Let's go ahead. Let's drop it in and let's see if we can unlock our phone with our finger. So you can see it's fully submerged in water. Let's try it. All right. No luck. Nothing's registering. You can see we've got the power button right there. We're trying. No go. But now let's go ahead. Now that we have it out of the water, will it work? Not with our wet fingers. So let's dry it off. All right, let's see if that's any better. Let's dry off our hands too. All right, can we get it to work now? There we go. Hey, worked just fine. So unfortunately, it does not work underwater. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.